welcome to my channel. My name is Luisa. How are you? Today we're going to be doing this quick and easy purple and gold champagne spring makeup look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when I post next. Alrighty, let's begin. So for this makeup look, we're actually only going to use two colors. Yes, you heard that right, two colors. And we're going to be using two different palettes. So for the first one, it's going to be this one in A Trance by ColourPop. And the color is going to be Own Your Power, Soft Lilac. We're going to be using two different brushes, one small rounded fluffy brush for the outer corner, because we're going to be applying this color onto the outer third or outer V of our eyelid, and then also to the inner corner of the eyelids and leaving a space in the middle. But for the outer corner, as you see here, I'm using a small rounded fluffy brush. Really small. And for the inner corner, I'm going to be using a small flat brush. Hey loves, just wanted to quickly jump in here and say welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for tuning in. If you have any questions on the products, the makeup look, any other looks you have in mind, please don't hesitate to comment that down below and I will be sure to respond. Thanks guys. Step number 2, take any gold that you may have. In this case, I'm using the Power Hungry eyeshadow palette by MAC. This color is called Gimme That. Basically, it's this champagne-ish gold color. And for this, we're going to be using a small flat brush to apply this to the center part of our eyelids, as you see here. Next step is to blend. I'm using the same small rounded brush that I used to apply Own Your Power in the outer corner to blend the purple and this gold together. Now for the bottom lash line, we're going to be doing the opposite. So in the center part of the lower lash line, again, I'm still using a small flat brush to apply Own Your Power, but to the center part of the lower lash line. And for the outer parts, so from the outer corner and the inner corner of the lower lash line, I will be applying Give Me That, also using a small flat brush. And this is the final look with eyelashes, with eyebrows, with everything. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Quick and easy spring makeup tutorial. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do not forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know when to post next. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.